Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Uday. So in my earlier video I have covered the part 1 of the Gloucester Cathedral tour, where I covered most of the inside area of this Gloucester Cathedral, and I have also covered the area where Harry Potter shooting was done. So these are the clippings from the part 1. So if you haven't seen that video yet, please go and watch that video. I'm sure you will like it. I will give the link of that video in the description section. Please do watch that video. So in this video I will cover our guided tour. So we had couple of guided tour. So one was the ground floor tour and another one was the basement tour. So this was our team. So we had 5 members in the team. So this gentleman was explaining the architecture and the history of this cathedral. So he told us many interesting facts, like this cathedral was thousands years old and there were lots of histories there. So enjoy this guided tour. I hope you will definitely like it. If you like it, please like the video and subscribe my channel.
Some water in England started in Gloucester. It's supposed to be like 11 trees.
Managed to leave things a little bit alone, but Reformation made it plainer.
ये हम लोग को ग्लॉस्टर कैथेड्रल का हिस्ट्री बता रहे हैं। ये जो कैथेड्रल बना था, दैट वाज बिल्ट ऑन 1169. It's almost thousands years old. 1,000 years old.
Don't forget the public were not allowed in. Right? The nave itself would have a screen going across all the way down, called a roof screen, a wooden one, and then the public were allowed on the other side, but there were no religious services. Okay? They had meetings, they had markets, they had all sorts of things. But only this side were religious services, and it was the monks only. Okay? Now, in here where we're standing now, the seats around the outside are all original. Right? And there are like 68 seats here. That's why you're not here, isn't it? Now, I'm going to mention the organ before I better.
Sorry.
Now, there's 2 organs there. There's one in the front here. That's called a chair. The organ should be on the other side, facing the iron. The big organ behind it, 1666. Okay, and now all the parts you're looking at are all the original. Okay, and it has been replaced a couple of times. There are 5,235 pipes up there, of which 292 are still original ones. 5,235. And they go from top left, and you can actually, you'll be able to stand in the top of that. But the biggest part you can stand up. They play every day. Oh, you need some.
No, I'm calling it off on that one. That's a bar.
No, that's not many. Some places have got a lot more country. It was originally sited there. Right? That's because the very common organs within the cathedral, they were originally on the site. And it was sited there, but it got infested with rats, so they had to move it.
That must have been a good job.
It was completely overhauled in 1972. What you're looking at is 1666. What you're listening to is 1972. Which should make sense. You said you might hear that before you leave. Here originally, but that's been cut in half. And this stone, 300 years later, been added to it. The road's right up. You can see the top here. There's a cliff here, really that's a lead font in the corner. That's been situated here. But most of this is about 5 years old. But we can also on this. Was it too far? Yes, they are. Alright, can I tell you about this? This is the Lady Chapel. Lady Chapel is the last building in London. It's all glass. Right, and it was dedicated to the Virgin Mary. The reason why they built one was because of much praise and Virgin Mary, and she put the word in.
If you like my video, please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. Enjoy the rest of the video and we will take you to the basement of the cathedral soon.
This one here on the left is Elizabeth, and she died in childbirth. That is in childbirth. And wrapped in swaddling clothes. And the reason the swaddling clothes is the baby was baptized before she died. So you have one girl was 17, Bishop's daughter died. Her sister, that one over there, Margie.
Now it's a time to go to the basement of this church. So this lady will take us to the basement of the church and will explain some history down there.
The walls are very thick, and you'll see the real depth when we go into the second or third chapel, and we look at one of the buildings, and you really see how thick they are. The water seeps in, unfortunately, from the ground, so sometimes when you go down, it's completely in the water. Not long after it was built, it needed reinforcement, and you can see that reinforcement has been put in here.
Please like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notification of all of my upcoming videos. I will try to bring more interesting videos of my bike rides and all the tours that I will be covering in few days. So thank you for watching this video. We'll see you guys in my next video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.